Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are staying in Santa Margarita just outside of Portofino, and then we'll be switching hotels to stay inside Portofino and giving you my thoughts on both locations. More to come. For those of you who are new here, my name is Crystal. I own a luxury travel agency based out of Miami, Florida. So if you are looking to plan a trip to Portofino yourself or anywhere around the world, reach out to us at www.wanderlustjetsetter.com. What you are looking at here is a deluxe room, and what I really liked about this hotel is that it encompasses the typical Italian vibe, but with that modern feel. So that lovely marble bathroom with new fixtures, and of course this amazing garden view, and there just happened to be a Jack Russell outside, which I have one, so that was really cool. Okay, so don't mind the guy chopping the tree up there and all that noise, but thinking you could do a nice wedding ceremony here with this sea view of the Italian Riviera. Over here we have all of the chairs getting set up at the various hotels for the beach. So yes, you do get beach access at this hotel. And here is the pool, all these umbrellas. And there's the hotel. Fun fact, right before we filmed this, we literally ran into Adam Sandler, the famous actor from the United States. More to come on that at the end of the video, but he stayed at this hotel as well, so you know it's a good one. You will have to drive through Santa Margarita to get to Portofino, so I actually preferred staying in this area and then making my way for the night or whatever into Portofino. We also went to the city right before Santa Margarita, so it goes Rapello, Santa Margarita, Portofino, and we went into Rapello to do this cooking class, which I highly recommend. It's at a restaurant called Osteria Vecchia Rapello. I will put the name of it in the link in description. And of course, if you book with Wanderlust Jet Setter, we can set all of this up for you. So have your excursions, cooking classes, all that stuff set up in a whole itinerary. Okay, so we're here in Rapello, right outside of Portofino, and we just did a cooking class, so we're kind of hanging out outside, took a little walk around this park while we wait for them to finish cooking our food, because we basically like prepped all of it and then they heat it in the oven, boil the pasta, all that stuff. And it was a little early. We ended at like 11:30 a.m. and we just had breakfast, so we were like, we're not that hungry this second anyway. So now we're gonna go back. But very nice cities. Portofino is like the most known one, but let me tell you, you could spend a week plus visiting Rapello, Santa Margarita, where we're staying now. We haven't seen Portofino yet, but we're going there next. Really nice. By the way, this area is known for pesto sauce, so that's what we made, and it was phenomenal. To go on a little boat with a company that I'm going to hopefully partner with if all goes well, which I think it will. And we're going to go into Portofino on the boat, and we're going to see the Dolce & Gabbana mansion where Courtney and Travis got married exactly 2 years ago. Maybe they're there right now. One thing I was absolutely shocked by is how small Portofino is. It is literally so small, I cannot even explain it. It's something you really have to see in person, but like these buildings are it. Just got to Hotel 8 Portofino. First impressions, actually let me show you this. That's a Dyson, so that's great. In here we have some like amenity stuff. This is an updated room. So we had the choice of another room, which was a superior on a higher floor, but it wasn't as updated, and it didn't have a shower. It only had a bathtub, so that kind of threw me off. So although it was nice to just walk out of the hotel and go down into the little city of Portofino, Santa Margarita is only about a 15-minute ride, so I would prefer to continue staying in Santa Margarita in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and take a look at some Adam Sandler footage.
Gracias.